Hello everyone. So for today's class, we're going to be talking on area and perimeter of triangles. We already discussed on triangles, types of triangles, and some of the properties of triangles. So I'm going to be starting with perimeter for today. So the formula for finding the perimeter of a triangle is simply the sum of its sides. And like I said earlier, a triangle is a three-sided polygon. Let's assume that this is angle A, angle B, and angle C. This is side A, side B, and side C. So the perimeter is simply the sum of each sides, which is A plus B plus C. And that's it. Now for the area of a triangle, the area of a triangle is simply calculated with the formula 1/2 multiplied by base multiplied by the height of the triangle. So now I'm going to be solving an example with this formula for clarity's sake. So let's assume that we have a triangle and the side is 24 centimeter, 19 centimeter, and 21 centimeter, and the height is 18.22 centimeter. And now we are asked to find the area of this triangle. The area is half base times height, so I'm going to be having 1/2 multiplied by the base, which is this down part, multiplied by the height, which is the longest part of the triangle. Don't make a mistake of mistaking the sides as the height. No, the height is the longest side, the perpendicular distance. So I'm going to be having multiplied by 18.22. So I can just cancel out and I'm having 9.11 here. So now after dividing, the next step is to multiply out everything. So I'll be having that the area is equal to 1 times 21 is 21, and then 21 multiplied by 9.11, we should be having 191.31 centimeter squared. And that is it. Now, there is also another formula for calculating the area of a triangle when you are not given this height. And this formula is known as Heron's formula. This formula simply states that the area of a triangle is given by root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is the sum of the three sides divided by 2. So now let me use this triangle here to also clarify this second formula. So now let's assume that we also want to find the area of this triangle without making use of the height. So I'm going to first of all find my s. So my s should be equal to 24 plus 19 plus 21 divided by 2. 24 plus 19 is 53. 53 plus 24 plus 19 is 43. 43 plus this is 64. 64 divided by 2 should be 32. So my s is going to be equal to 32. Now you place this with the corresponding sides that you have into this formula, and I'm going to be having that my area is equal to square root of s, which is 32, into 32 minus 24, into 32 minus 19, into 32 minus 21. I'm going to be solving those in brackets first. 32 minus 24 should be 8. Then 32 minus 19 should be 13. 32 minus 21 should be 11 as well. Now we multiply everything. 32 times 8 times 13 times 11. And I should be getting 36,608. So now my area is going to be the square root of 36,608. Maybe let's just approximate it to 2 decimal places. So, or maybe to 1 decimal place. And I'm going to be having 191.3 centimeters squared. So if I should approximate this one to 1 decimal place as well, I'll be getting the same answer. So this shows that these two formulas are correct. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also post questions or ask me questions in comment section, or if there is any question that you would love me to help you and solve, you can also send them and I will do that and get back to you immediately. Thank you.